We are packing up to leave our Airbnb in Southampton. It's now about 7:30 in the morning, so we have to be out of here by 10, and we need to finish packing and finish laundry. Okay, we are almost completely packed up, almost ready to go. We're getting ready to go to London. Alright, we're loaded up. Ready to go. Ready, Lindsay?
Yep. No.
Where we go? Okay, so we couldn't get a big Uber, so Lindsay took Lily and all the bags to the train station, and Harper and Cora and I are walking.
Daddy.
It's only a half mile. How you doing, Cora?
I'm going to meet you.
You doing good? Okay, we gotta go up these big ass stairs. Here we go. Lots of stairs. Yeah, ready to go? You are kicking butt, Cora. You're doing great. You're doing great, honey. Okay, just got to the top of these stairs. To the other side, I think Lindsay and Lily are over there. We shall see.
Hey, Daddy.
You did. Better? You see her, Harper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want Mommy.
There's Mommy. We made it to the station, and we're waiting to board. Looks like we have about seconds, or maybe less than a minute, to get all of our luggage on the train. Okay, we are now on the train to London from Southampton, and it is packed and we don't have seats. So we're standing in between two cars with all of our luggage. And luckily there's some jump seats the girls are in. Okay, we're almost to London. I think we have a 1 minute stop at Clapham Junction, and we're gonna get off and get an Uber to our hotel. Jump, jump, jump.
Okay, move back.
Move.
Come on, over here.
So we're here, and now we need to get to our hotel. And Lily really wants a hotel with bunk beds, but this one does not have it.
We're in London at the train station, headed to our hotel.
All right, we just made it to our hotel, and it is pretty amazing. Got a little kitchenette, a couple bedrooms. It even comes with a kid, jumps on the bed. It's not supposed to, like a monkey. This apartment is freaking amazing. There's a ceiling fan. That's amazing. There's a hair on the bed, but I'm gonna pretend like it's ours. Sometimes you just have to do that, pretend like it's your own hair.
It might be mine.
It's probably Lindsay's. There's no top sheet. My mom would disapprove. Hi, Mom. This is nice. 4 days in London. Kind of wish we had a couple more, but we're gonna find some food here in a bit. Maybe have a little walkabout. Go to bed early. Okay, I'll have to find some food. This place is awesome. And it is beautiful out here. Fish and chips tonight? Maybe. Beer for sure.
Hey, talk to Lily. Tell Lily where we are. We're at a food place. What are you gonna eat?
Eggs.
You're gonna eat eggs?
Yeah. That would be good.
I'm not sure the name of it, but we're gonna get some fish and chips. And Lily and Cora are gonna eat ham and cheese. And Harper's gonna eat some chicken.
No, I don't like chicken.
You know?
Eggs.
Okay. She wants eggs. I don't have eggs here.
Yeah, what are you having for drink?
Some water.
Oh,
In the mirror.
What are we having? Having ham and cheese toasty? Yep. What did we just do?
Nuts.
Candy.
Candy.
We went and got candy?
Yeah.
Hey, what did we just do, Cora? Cora, what did you just do? You want to tell me, Lily?
We got candy, but Mommy got her nails done. And we're mad about it.
Green light. Red light.
I did it. You lost.
Green light. Red light.
And that was our first taste of London. The girls and I played some games while Lindsay was getting her nails done. And then we just went back to the apartment to get some rest. Thanks for joining us, and make sure you subscribe and click the like button. Join us next time as we see some of London's most famous sights.
What are you doing, Harper? You gonna go play?